I have the Samsung Galaxy A34 and I'll be showing you how to add the Gboard or the Google keyboard to this phone. So the first thing you need to do is install that Google keyboard, and you can do that from the Google Play Store. Okay, so simply launch the Google Play Store and then just search for Gboard. And this is Gboard, the Google keyboard from Google. So just go ahead and install that onto your phone. With the Gboard installed, you can tap on open to launch it, or you can launch it from here. So the first thing you have to do is enable it in the settings. Okay, now you can either tap on that and enable it, or with the app installed, you can now go into settings. On the main settings page, you can go to general management, tap on that, and then go to keyboard list and default. If you tap on that, you can actually see Gboard is here, and all you have to do is now tap on enable and then tap OK, and now Gboard is enabled. Now to make Gboard your default keyboard, all you have to do is go to the top there, select default keyboard, and then select Gboard, which is the Google keyboard. So now when you go to anywhere that you need to use a keyboard, you can actually see that it's the Google keyboard that is the active keyboard. Okay, so that's basically how to add the Google keyboard or the Gboard on your Galaxy A34, and also how to make it the default keyboard. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.